Hi, oh, hi guys. Today I'm going to be playing a little bit of Subway Surfers just for my channel because I haven't done a YouTube video in a couple of weeks because I've been away, and yeah, so yeah, I'm going to do that now, and it'll be like a 1 or 2 minute video because my stepdad and my mum are about to have dinner, so I can't record when they're having dinner. So yeah, I'm not really good at this game, I'm pretty bad, but I'm alright. Don't even have any boards. I can't, I have keys, but I'm not using any of my keys, because I want 30 keys to evolve something. Doing. This is so cool. It's called Mystery Monday, I think. Yeah, Mystery Monday. Oh my god, I'm never gonna beat my high score. My high score is 91,000. My cousin TNT Gamer, his is 141,000 on this game. He hasn't cheated either, because he doesn't like to cheat. Imagine getting like 1 million as your high score. That'd be so hard to do. I can't even get like 50,000. I'm struggling to get 50,000. Oh. Wow, I get something I've never had before. Oh well. Oh yay, some hoverboards. I'm not watching a flipping video. Yeah, I don't even have that much money. I'm gonna be doing probably every 2 days I'll do one video, because I am going Pokemon hunting, but I might do a video on my Pokemon Go. I'm level 16, and I've just been doing it daily. Well, not daily, because my 4G ran out once. So I probably might do, no I can't do it tomorrow. I might do like a Pokemon Go video on the, don't know, in like 3 or 4 days. Because I don't want to do one like tomorrow. I don't have that good Pokemon on it, but I don't even know why I'm talking about Pokemon playing Subway Surfers. I will upload this and might do a video tomorrow because of my 2 weeks. Need to catch up. Need to see what you lot are doing. See what your highest Pokemon is. What the hell? You get a mystery board. That's sick. Oh my god. Oh wow, I died. I don't use my keys because I'm saving up 30 keys, but I never get keys. Look, 91,000. Oh yeah, I do have Facebook, but I'm not giving anyone my Facebook. I'll probably give out my Instagram one day when I actually have it. But I can't be asked to get it on my phone. There's a lot of things I want. I might get Twitter as well, just to catch up with you lot, see what you're doing out and about in the days when I video. I meant when I record. This is just a quick catch-up video.
Wait, Jim.
Okay.
Get your